Some of you might be interested in understanding my video studio setup. This is something that I've cobbled together, not from any particular source. I have a background in recording videos before, and I'm a bit of a tech nerd, so I was able to cobble certain things together based on my experiences. I am currently using a Motorola Moto G7 as my primary camera. It is recording in selfie mode. I have a Blue Yeti USB microphone, which is connected to my Motorola G7. However, there is a USB-A to USB-C adapter that I had to buy to make that happen. To me, having good audio is very important. In the background, you may notice these colored lights. The background lighting is being done by a pair of LED colored floodlights. My camera setup is pretty unsophisticated. My Motorola G7 is being mounted on a desktop tripod, which is sitting on a box so that the camera lens hole is roughly at eye level. Now, I do have a 12-inch ring light directly in my face sitting next to my phone. And in the room that I'm in a spare bedroom where we use it as a spare storage room, and I have taken up a small piece of the wall, and I have a small table to put my equipment on. Now, I will provide some Amazon links if you feel like you want to get some of the equipment that I'm using, which is fairly inexpensive. Probably the most expensive part of my setup is the Blue Yeti microphone, which I bought a few years ago, and it really delivers great sound quality. Now, I also have a backup USB microphone, which I will provide a link as well, that I have tested and used, but that's mostly when I'm going to be on the move with my laptop and my phone outside of the main studio. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe so that you can get updates on my YouTube video studio setup, which I will update periodically.